Hi, Vanessa here. In today's tutorial, I just sort of want to go over how to hold your crochet hook. So first of all, I have a variety of crochet hooks here that I could gather from all over my house. Okay, so these are handmade, and I'll leave information in the description box for all of these. So this is handmade, and it was made with two different hooks, two different sizes, with it being double-ended, so that you have two hooks in one. And it's usually made out of polymer clay. And this one is also handmade using polymer clay. Okay, it's a cute little unicorn. And these two are from Hobby Lobby. I think this is acrylic from Hobby Lobby. And then, not sure what material this is, but it's plastic. This is sort of rubbery for gripping. Okay, so there are so many crochet hooks out there. This one was handmade also. This one is by Knitter's Prize, and it is wood. And then this one is bamboo. This is aluminum. Okay. And this has a soft grip. When I first started crocheting years ago, I held it like a pencil. Okay, this is how I started to crochet, holding it like a pen or a pencil. Okay, so when I first started crocheting, I held it like this. Okay, so like a pencil. I found that it sort of was hard on my wrist and gripping it like this, so that sort of caused fatigue and pain for me right here around my thumb. So I started holding it like this, sort of like a knife hold. And a lot of crochet hooks have a flat edge. Let's see if you could see that. So this part right here is flat, okay, and the crochet hook is round. So what that allows you to do is place your thumb on the flat edge where you're crocheting. Okay, and I found that this was much easier on my wrist and my thumb. That's, I think, the two most common ways to hold a crochet hook, like a pen, pencil, or like a knife hold. I mean, there are many ways to hold it. Really, it's really what's comfortable for you. Okay, so try different ways of holding it and see what works for you.